Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best Galaxy S22 Ultra magnetic case you can buy Amazon. The Galaxy S22 Ultra magnetic case is the best case you can get for your phone. It has a sleek design and is made with premium quality materials. The case provides an extra layer of protection while still maintaining the sleek look of your phone. The Galaxy S22 Ultra magnetic case is a durable case that will protect your phone from drops and falls. It features a dual-layer protection system that consists of a soft TPU inner layer and hard PC outer layer to keep your device safe from scratches, bumps, dirt, and debris. The Galaxy S22 Ultra magnetic case has a magnetic clasp that makes it easy to put on or take off the case without struggling with the lock button on the back of the device. The Galaxy S22 Ultra magnetic case has an adhesive strip on the back to ensure a snug fit and prevent the case from moving around on your device. If you are looking for protection for your device, this is one of the best options out there. It also comes with a built-in magnetic strip that can be used to attach it to metal surfaces, such as your car's dashboard or fridge door. Magnetic cases are becoming more and more popular as they offer protection without adding bulk or weight. The Galaxy S22 Ultra magnetic case is perfect for those who want the best of both worlds. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research on new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Number 5. Metal bumper. Get a better looking and protective case for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with 360 degrees protection, a metal bumper with magnetic adsorption, and tempered glass. Get a 360-degree protection metal bumper with magnetic adsorption cover and tempered glass flip case to protect your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra case. It is compatible with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra case. The silver clear bumper cover provides transparency on both the front and the back of your case, allowing you to show off your personal style. Get to your Samsung Galaxy S22 and protect it from drops, slashes, and scrapes with this metal bumper. This case is compatible with Samsung's Galaxy S22 Ultra case. Covering the front and back of your Samsung Galaxy S22 with a transparent tempered glass shield, it's also equipped with a magnetic adhesion feature that ensures your phone stays securely attached to the case. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra case adopts magnetic technology, which metal frame built-in powerful magnets. When the front and back cover is closing, the powerful magnetic attraction will close the metal frame at once, easy to assemble. The magnetic clear case compatible with Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, 100% perfect fit. Support Qi wireless charging and will not affect the signal transmission and make it easy to access to all ports, speakers, chargers and all phone features. Number 4. Wattake. We know you have been searching for a case that protects your phone. Wattake's crystal clear design provides total protection while protecting the beauty of your phone. Its unique ring holder and kickstand are the perfect features to hold your phone while watching videos, making calls, or typing texts. Want the perfect protection and natural crystal clear clarity cover? Our case is designed to perfectly fit your phone with the protection you deserve. If you're looking for a durable and affordable case, this is it. The most comfortable Galaxy S22 Ultra case with a full range of features. Lightweight, yet extremely durable for high protection. It also has a built-in kickstand and magnetic car mount feature. Get premium protection with the clear case featuring a ring holder and kickstand. Protect your phone without compromising its style by pairing the case with a matching Galaxy S22 Ultra case. With a magnetic car mount feature, this case is perfect for your next road trip. The transparent body reserves the original phone color and design. And fingerprint-resistant oleophobic coating provides anti-yellowing and long-lasting clarity. Thin and lightweight, won't add bulk to your phone. A piece of hidden metal on the back that allows the case to be attached to the magnetic car holder, strong and sturdy, navigate on your trips without danger. Number 3. Juego. Indulge your phone without sacrificing style with Juego's stylish design for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, S22 Ultra 5G, and other Galaxy smartphone models. Our Galaxy S22 Ultra case ring protects your device from drops, dust and scratches on any surface, with a hard PC back as well as scratch-resistant and shock-absorbent TPU flex frame. It also comes with a 360 degrees magnetic swivel kickstand, so you can use your Galaxy S22 Ultra in portrait or landscape modes. With Fuego, you never worry about your phone breaking or falling on the ground ever again. You can be confident that your phone will fall and break before your Fuego case. Only need one case? Skip the rest and get a Fuego case. Protect your investment in style with Fuego Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra Case Ring. This case is perfect for protecting your Samsung Galaxy S22 while keeping it looking sleek and stylish at the same time. Fuego case for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra Case Ring is made of hard PC material that protects it from scuffs and scratches and allows the device to be mounted to a shelf or other surface with ease. The Samsung S22 Ultra phone case made from high-quality materials and a new nano coating, the case has a silky smooth feel with a non-slip effect. Once you hold it in your hand, you will fall in love with it. Number 2. SWP. SWP Wallet Case for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra Case Magnetic Detachable Cover Clutch Wallet. Money pocket compatible with Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Keep your essentials organized and secure with this 11 card slots wallet case. Featuring a magnetic cover, it can be quickly detached from the rest of the case to reveal a wristlet. Looking for a slim wallet case that also protects your phone? If so, you found it. The SWP wallet case for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is the perfect lightweight option. It's a clincher with 11 card slots, a detachable magnetic cover, and an elastic wristlet. More than just a case, the SWP wallet case features a unique magnetic design with an attached detachable cover which includes a wristlet that allows you to carry your phone in your hand. The wristlet is perfect for any occasion. Let's say you're running late for a party or meeting, but still want to look like the best dressed person in the room. This wallet phone case designed for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G released in 2022, wireless charging can be workable when you remove the back cover. Made with premium pool leather with TPU bumper PC back cover that will not scratch your phone. Detachable magnetic inner PC shell can be removed to use only. And provide quick access to all touch controls, features, and ports plugging in, adjusting volume or switching on off and taking photos or video, meeting your outside daily use. Number 1. Sky Case. All-in-one protection for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in a fun and attractive case. Our 5G case is not only the smartest way to protect your Galaxy S22 Ultra, but also the most functional. The sleek synthetic leather exterior wraps around a hard PC frame that protects and shows off your Galaxy S22 Ultra's beauty. The raised edges of the Folio wallet hold your cards securely, while the magnetic flap keeps them all in place. The Skycase Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G case is a compact, lightweight and very versatile case with magnetic detachable kickstand. This case has a card slot and can be securely fixed to your phone by a detachable hand strap. It is made of PC material, has an anti-slip finish, and is designed to prevent scratches to the screen of your Samsung S22 Ultra 5G. Be a trendsetter by carrying your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in a sleek, chic case that not only provides protection but also makes a statement. You'll be the envy of the block with the Sky Case, which features an exquisite design and detachable hand strap for convenience. This Folio wallet case features card slots for carrying ID, bank cards, or credit cards as well as a detachable hand strap for carrying on the go. Wallet case for Samsung Galaxy S22 support wireless charging. Just place down inner phone case on the wireless charger pad with the wallet. Make it more practical in your daily life. The case is crafted with a detachable hand strap, no need to worry your cell phone dropping on the ground. Convenient for your outings and daily use.